Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is kind of an impromptu video. I did not plan on filming this video at all, but if you guys need it, it's definitely here for you. And if you happen to make the same mistake I did, well then here you go. So the part in question actually had this little piece that broke off, and obviously the battery is removed. I got this all wrapped up in plastic wrap, and the part is actually this plastic piece that goes between this coolant hose and that one, and then there's this little hose that connects to the top. That's where that little piece broke off. It does go down here and has these two little bolts right here. So obviously you have to remove the battery. There's a little bar and then there's a little tray that sits right here. So once you pull all that out, you can undo those two bolts and remove that piece. I actually have a friend on his way. Thank you so much, Cody, for rescuing me. He's actually picking up hopefully they have the all metal one available, so at least it's going to be an upgrade, but they have metal and plastic of this. So when he gets here, we can go ahead and take this one out and put the new one in. We're probably going to lose a lot of coolant, so I already have a bucket ready for that, and then we can just add in more coolant as needed. All right, so now we're about to pop off this hose and spray coolant everywhere, so let's go ahead and let's get to it. Now let's try to get this other side off. Oh man, what a mess. There we go. All right. Well, that's fun so far. I guess that's a nice, let me get that tag in there. I guess I'll just kind of shove that in there for now. Yeah, there, so just right there. Shit, maybe I'll just shove the other end into this one. Since we're here. There we go. All right. So now, all right, you got both those screws out. And now we're going to go ahead and pull out this cheap plastic part that the little piece broke off of. And that right there is where it broke off. So yeah, at least now with the new one, it's a nice metal, it's nice and shiny. Obviously that's not going to just break off. And there will be links in the description down below, so if you want to pick these up on Amazon, you can. And hopefully you don't have the same issue that I had before finding out that you need a new one. So then we'll just go ahead and crank this down. And luckily it is only 2 bolts, so super easy. Alrighty, and that looks way nicer. Alright, so let's go ahead and stick the hoses back on. So I'm going to pull off. Actually, let's do the front one first since it's not really spewing as much. And we'll just, now it's going to slide that back on. And then move this little clamp thing back in place. If I can get it back. Oh, there we go. Boom, that side's done. Now I just gotta do the back side. Actually kind of a weird angle. There we go. Boom, that's on. And now I just gotta get that little clamp back into place. Alright, that was pretty easy, I guess, so far. Now we can get this little top hose. And I pulled this off earlier, so I'm going to go ahead and just slide it back on here. And then we'll just slide the hose right on. And boom. Just like that, it is done. Alright, so that looks so much better having that metal piece on there. Now I don't have to worry about that little piece breaking off. So if you guys did like this video, definitely go and hit the like button. I really do appreciate if you do subscribe. I have a lot more how-to videos coming with this car. And honestly, that was kind of like an impromptu, did not expect it, but hey, it's probably gonna happen to other people, especially with some of these older cars. A lot of plastic pieces are gonna break. But if you guys did want to pick up some of these parts, there's gonna be links in the description down below for Amazon, all the different parts and tools I use. But if you guys did like the video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. But as always, thank you for watching.